home screen of the VPN application. It's very easy to use. Do keep in mind this application has a lot of ads. So down here is pretty much where you go and select your servers. As you can see here, quite a lot of a few servers, I should say, you're able to use. Some of them you may need a subscription to use those. The ones that says you get a free trial, going to need a subscription to use it. But these ones you'll be able to use without a free trial pin. We should be good to go. So let's select these Singapore servers, and then we tap on the connection button, which is here. And we'll ask for connection request. If it's your first time connecting, then it should ask you for that. And as you can see here, it will be connected in no time. So very easy to use. Do have a quite few amount of ads, so do keep that in mind. So to get your subscription as it relates to this application here, you can tap on the crown icon at the top, and pretty much will see their subscription. But you pretty much have to get their free trial. If you tap on their free trial option here, as you can see, it will give you a 3 days free trial. Then you will start paying their weekly fee, which is this amount here. So that's only option as it relates to their subscription. As you can see, you'll pretty much be getting everything as it relates to that. And as you do scroll on, you'll be able to see more information as it relates to their subscription. So you can get their 3 days free trial and test out their service. But for their free servers are very good. Not gonna lie, based on all VPN application that I've reviewed so far, it's fairly decent, and you don't need to add any time or watch any ads to watch anytime. Once you're connected, that's pretty much it. Unlike the others, you have to pretty much connect, and they only give you 2 minutes of connection time, which is crazy. But this, once you're connected, you don't have to have any time or anything like that. You're just good to go. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if we can help you. See you in the next one.